Hi everyone, back with another keto recipe. We've got garlic and Cajun shrimp dish. This will serve 2 to 4 people. You'll need a 1-pound bag of the raw shrimp, detailed and deshelled, so it's easy. You'll need a bag of the riced cauliflower, heavy cream, real butter, minced garlic, and then you will need for seasoning pink salt, pepper, basil, oregano, onion and garlic powder, cayenne pepper, red crushed pepper, and then you will need a 1/4 cupper, a tablespoon and a 1/2 tablespoon, and then a fry pan with spatula and cover. We're going to start by turning on the heat medium on your stove, and then take a fry pan and add 1 tablespoon of real butter, a 1/2 tablespoon of the minced garlic. Mix it around, let it melt down. And then you want to drain your shrimp because it always has liquid in it. So make sure you drain out the shrimp. Pour all of your raw shrimp into the pan. And like I said, it's a 1-pound bag. And then you want to season it up with onion and garlic powder, pink salt and pepper, cayenne pepper, red crushed pepper, oregano, and basil. And then go ahead and mix it up really well. While that's cooking, let's heat up our riced cauliflower in the microwave. My microwave takes around 6 minutes, so every microwave will vary. And keep watching your shrimp because it's only going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are pink in color, then you are able to add the rest of your ingredients. You're going to add 2 more tablespoons of real butter and a 1/4 cup of the heavy cream. Mix this up and let it melt down. Keep it on a medium heat, and you want it just to kind of thicken up. You'll see it'll get a little bit thicker as it goes. And it just took about, I don't know, another minute or 2 to thicken up. Then you're going to serve your plates up. You're going to start by serving the cauliflower rice on the plate. I did 2 servings. And then add the shrimp. Again, I did it in 2 servings. Then take your juice from it and pour it over each, just splitting between the 2. But it could be 4 servings. But again, there is the 2 servings right there. And this dish was absolutely delicious, you guys. I did a video on it. You'll get to see it tomorrow. I absolutely loved it. And you could replace this if you don't like shrimp with chicken. Same recipe, and do it with ground chicken and cut it up into chunks. But it was only 6 net carbs a plate, and it was good. Keep it keto.